Hi everyone, welcome back to TMM Reviews channel. Today in this video we are doing full review of OmniSites AI. So in this video I am going to talk about what OmniSites AI is and how it works. I am going to show you a demo and walkthrough of OmniSites AI and talk about the upgrades and the special exclusive bonuses that you will get along with OmniSites AI. OmniSites AI is the first self-learning AI that builds, hosts, and markets WordPress websites custom-tailored to any business or affiliate product. It auto-builds gorgeous self-hosted or cloud-hosted sites filled with high-quality content and premium plugins that are custom-tailored with AI agent learning technology. Once live, the site markets itself automatically with custom marketing campaigns and built-in client-finding technology, working for you continuously, non-stop if desired. No cookie-cutter templates, AI slop content, or endless plugin juggling, just self-growing, customizable that market themselves automatically with unique agentic site tech. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into the demo of OmniSites AI.
This video is going to serve as a walkthrough on using and testing OmniSites AI, the first app that builds self-learning, self-marketing, new agentic websites custom tailored to any business or affiliate product. Note that this is just sort of a walkthrough. If you want a more professional demo for your promo, then just check that out in the doc. Now, this auto builds any type of self-hosted or cloud-hosted WP agentic site for example, local businesses, affiliate niche review blogs, e-com stores, even full funnels, filled with content and images custom tailored to your specific business or your client's business with new agent site learning technology. Now, once live, the site then can market itself in several ways with custom marketing campaigns pulling from your training, including long-form Neil Patel style posts in your brand style, something way beyond just like ChatGPT, with your products included, which we're going to demonstrate later on. It could even land clients too. Now, there's been some other AI site builders, of course, in the past, but pretty much everything that's come out is sort of cookie cutter templates with AI fluff content, nothing really about the specific business or affiliate product you're trying to create the site and marketing campaigns about. Nothing like a serious human team that really learned about their business, went to the location, took photos, and then did marketing campaigns with their specific products and their brand style. Nothing close to that. So we created something brand new to raise the bar, and it even comes with a training on how we've made money with niche sites. So you're getting sort of a done-for-you business, these self-marketing new agent sites with step-by-step training based on real proven results that we've gotten. So yeah, instead of these generic, maybe local sites, you can create these custom tailored sites where it's actually about like a specific person and a whole business and all their services and products. For example, these, you can make these long form, I call them like Neil Patel style posts based on a specific formula we've reverse engineered to see what type of posts actually rank high in Google, like this. And you can make things like affiliate review blogs too. It's not just local business or personal sites. You can even do e-com stores. So all kinds of sites here. And of course, you're getting the training academy, which is going to show you how to actually make money and profit from these step-by-step. So we really hope that users get actual real results with this fairly quickly. All right, so let's go over how to actually make one of these sites now. So you want to start by going to custom knowledge and train the site learning technology on the business or affiliate offer or product you're trying to promote. Because we don't want just like a generic site with AI garbage stuff. It actually has to go out there and market and rank. So you can go to new folder here to create a new training folder, or click one of the folders we've already started here. For example, say we're working with a therapy business and they want a new site, or maybe they want to replace their old site with one of these agentic ones. What we can do here is import their old site so it learns about all the information and their personnel and their products. To upgrade it, or we can upload any files or any products they've had. We can write content, and then you could go here and edit and delete it. So for example, if like someone leaves their practice, you can update that so then the marketing campaigns won't reflect that person anymore. We can add information about their products, about their philosophy, about the way they train or their branding style. So it's not just, this chat GPT content that's very detectable and won't really rank in any sort of algorithm. And then what we can do is go to sites here to create the site. Now here you can see all the sites we've created so far. This will be the login to log into the dashboard. It will create a cloud hosted site that's WordPress. And if you want to install it on your own domain, you can go over here to download, and then there's instruction videos on how to actually download that on your own domain with your own hosting if you want. We've assigned a domain to you once you create the site, but if you want to add your own custom domain, you can do that as well using the tutorials. And you can actually even organize these by projects over here as well, so you can know which campaigns or clients they belong to. Then to create the site, go to Create New, Complete Site, and then we're just going to type in the keyword we want to create the site around. So, say we're working with that psychotherapist client. We type something like therapist, and then click that, and then we can give them a name and just hit next to begin creating the site. And then there's a wizard that's going to walk them through creating the site. Now, first, what it's going to do is it will just sort of create generic AI content about what it thinks the business is about. But what we want to do, of course, is make these new agent sites where it really learns about the business and makes marketing content that's about them personally. So you want to use our knowledge base and make sure it's going to start pulling from the training and the knowledge base when making these sites. All right, so it rewrote the description far better. And then we can go walk through here through the various steps. Just quickly adding emails, any socials. And then what we'll do is it will generate the content for the entire site, including the business name, the main site description. It will even list out like the features that will be on the site and the product pages. And it's pulling from the training here and just AI in general. And if you don't like how it wrote it out, you can customize it yourself, or you can go down to where it says like rewrite with AI and just rewrite the content exactly how you want. And then what it will do is it will ask you to choose images for the site. So you need to pick 7 landscape images and 7 portrait images. And what we can do here is actually use AI images to upload an image. For example, like the person we're making the site for, and write a prompt like this therapist helping a client, and it will generate images based off of a reference image, or you can generate without the reference image to help populate the site with all kinds of images that fit a common theme and are congruent. Just like this. So we can click to use this, or we can just go to our library and see images we've generated, and we can pick out and use for the site. And we can also search images and pick some that way. And by the way, if you want to search for like a specific orientation, just go over here. And now we have 7 landscape, 7 portrait images. And then it's going to generate several different themes we can choose from based off of the keyword we entered for our site. So we can go ahead and check out some of these. If you don't like these, you can just load more options. It's going to generate more options so you get one that you really like. I think this one looks decent enough. Then it's going to take it to a branding editor where we can, of course, change out the logo with their logo. Maybe change the color palette to something else. Add your own custom branding colors. And click next to add in any sort of premium plugins, for example, security, site optimization, things like ADA compliance. Just check them to include them in the site. Hit next, and then we can go ahead and start building out the website. All right. And then it will be in our dashboard. And then again, to edit it, all you have to do is you can regenerate or edit the AI text in that sort of magic editor that we went over, or you can go ahead and actually log into WordPress and just easily customize it that way. All right, so it made our site. It'll be in our site section. And then we can go ahead and sort of switch it to self-marketing mode. And to do that, you might want to download some plugins to add to our site, including especially this auto blogging plugin. There's also a way to build funnels as well with the funnel plugin. And then let's go ahead and check out some ways that it can sort of market itself. So first, what you can do is go to the blogging to create a long-form, in-depth Neil Patel style blogging post, and type in something first, like a keyword like how to use mindfulness, to generate these long form style posts that will rank and get traction in social media and AI search results and Google. So you type out the keyword here, and we can just generate it. If you don't have any sort of knowledge training base, just generate outline, or you can generate it by pulling from the person's products, their philosophy, their brand style, like this here. And then it's going to generate an article outline, first of all. So instead of just hitting generate, and it's going to generate you an article, technically using AI, that article is not going to really rank and do well because it's not very in depth. And there's actually a process that we've done where we've reverse engineered the best type of articles that are ranking #1 over and over, stuff that Neil Patel has written, and it's actually broken down into things like a hook, an opener, a body, and then a conclusion. And the opener and the body is actually broken down into a specific section as well, with a certain amount of read time. So we've reverse engineered the ways that articles are actually ranking while leveraging AI. And this is the way it's doing it in this particular style. And of course, it's writing it in your tone, not like an AI generic tone. And it's pulling from your custom content. If it just looks like it's pulled from AI, again, it's not going to really do too well. And then what we'll do is it will generate an outline, and it will give you a title here. And if you don't like the title, you can hit regenerate. It will give you the first section, which is called the hook, and this is just the outline of what it's going to write. And if you don't like the hook, you can hit regenerate. And if you do like it, what you want to hit is hit insert into article. Then it will go ahead and insert it into your main article. Now, it won't write the article right away because you need to just approve the rest of these outlines. So it inserted that into the article. And then we just go through these other sections. If you like them, just quickly hit insert into article. And then it will go ahead and build out the article with an image as well. So you can generate an AI image or skip the images. And then just to save time here, this is what it's going to end up looking like. So you can it's going to be stored in posts as a draft. And then it will look something like this, where we're not talking about like a little paragraph here. We're talking about a long form style post you can expect to actually rank and pull in traffic, especially for if you're targeting local keywords like this one here, like what to expect in your first therapy session in Philadelphia. You can very easily expect this to start ranking and pulling in leads for this particular local business for that keyword. And so that's one way to write the post. Now, there's some other ways. Another way to do it is to do what's called reverse engineering, where we actually go to the #1 post that's ranking, whether you type in like an AI search suggestion, like who's the best therapist in Philadelphia, or, how does like SEO work, for example. So if we went to Google and typed in, how does AI SEO work? The first blog post here is this, and we can actually copy this URL, take it back to the reverse engineer mode, and just enter it in. And what's it going to do is it's going to analyze why this is ranking #1, what it thinks you can do to make a post better than this, to outperform it. So we're going to go ahead and generate prompt. And by the way, you see this thing called detailed prompt. You can click that, and that's more advanced ways of communicating with the AI. But we just have everything on default, easy mode. So for people who aren't really technical at, what goes into reverse engineering and stuff like that. And then what it will do is actually generate a whole prompt. And this prompt is going to be what it believes will help create an article that will be better than the one ranking #1 for the keyword that we want to rank for, which is, what is AI SEO. And if we can create an article better and higher value than the one that it believes is #1, AI thinks it's #1, then it's going to start recommending ours over that one. So we can go ahead and generate it with our custom knowledge database. So it's not just generic AI slop stuff. So it actually pulls from our training. Or in this case, I don't really have an SEO training database. We'll just generate the regular outline. And then just like before, it will walk you through creating the long form blog post in those different steps. And then we can regenerate them or insert it into our article to create the article. Now, if that seems like too much work, then we have, which I hope not, but we have auto mode, which it will go ahead and just create everything I just did for you 100% automatically, and actually even publish the article for you, or put the article into draft for you to just quickly preview and then post on your own. So auto mode, you don't even have to click regenerate or check for the different sections. It will generate a long form post just like that in the style that we found is ranking best 100% for you. So you just enter some keyword topics, like if we were working with like an affiliate product that promotes the keto diet, we might want to put in like fitness, gym workout, keto diet. It's going to create articles for this every day if we want that are long form and can rank. Choose the number of articles we want per day, per week, per month. What time it will be posted on. Just click over here. And then if we want it to be actually published and live, or just put into a draft so we can preview it before it goes. If we want to add any images and pull from any particular knowledge base as well. And then we just go ahead and create, and now it's going to create, here we have one that's already going, generating articles that are ranking and pulling in leads every single day. Now there's a bunch of other ways to use this. You can actually find what topics and keywords to do in the first place. For example, we can type in keto diet tips and just find general topics like this to build content around. You can find keywords, for example, keto diet tips, to create and get traffic from the actual long tail keywords. And here we have the monthly searches and a difficulty score, 0 being it's fairly easy to get that seen in AI search suggestions and Google, and a difficulty 100 is going to be very difficult to as well. All right, so there's some more ways you can do that, but also what it can do is find clients and leads for you, especially if you want to run like an agentic site agency. So let's go ahead and check out how to do that. Right, so for it to actually get leads and start running an agency for you, you can go here to Lead Finder. And the Lead Finder is going to let you enter a business name and find sites that look like they are old and need updating and have a lot of problems. So for example, you type in therapist, a location, radius, and it's going to go out there and find sites that would be easy to replace with these newer ones. And then we can see their name, the actual website, if it's using WordPress or not. If they're not using WordPress, then we can switch them to that, as WordPress sites now power like 45% of the internet. They rank way easier and get traffic a lot better. And then we can go ahead and add these to any sort of folder to organize like our gym leads, therapist leads, auto dealership leads, for example. And then view those in our hot leads CRM here. And we can sort by if we've contacted them, if we tried to close them already, if they're not responding. You can actually generate a whole report for them very quickly that shows all the issues in their site that our new agentic site can actually fix for them. So let's take a look at this report here. We'll give them an overall grade. And again, it's going out there and trying to find sites that aren't very good. So this is like a new powered AI lead generator. And it will give them this detailed report here and specifically try to find stuff that, WordPress sites, especially with the plugins that you can one-click add, will easily fix all these. So that gives you sort of an in. So you can actually give this report away for free, offer to fix something for free, and then upsell them on all the content creation, upgrading their site to the new, better agentic one. So it's actually realistic to get, $3,000 plus, $99 per month content creation service clients. And then we can actually even contact clients with the AI email writer. It's using a formula we found that's getting a good response for emails. So for example, we can go here to topic, type something like fix bugs and replace with an agentic therapy site. And it will go ahead and generate an email like this. And then we can attach our report to it. And then to send it to the recipient, we just choose our SMTP that you can integrate into the app and then just enter their email to send it. All right, so there's a lot more that OmniSites can do as far as creating the site, as far as marketing it. But this is just sort of a simple walkthrough to get you started making a site, understanding why it's different from all the other AI site builders and really AI like business in a box tools that have come out. And for more information, go ahead and make sure to check out the tutorials for all the specific things that you can do within OmniSites AI.
So we have prepared this full review bonus page of OmniSites AI that you will find in the description of this video as well as in the comments below this video. You will find all the details related to the OmniSites AI software, features, demo video, all the upgrades links, the special one-time bundle link, and all the special exclusive bonuses details on this review bonus page. So make sure to check out this review bonus page with all the details and links are given on this page. Now let me walk you through all the special exclusive bonus packages that you are going to get with OmniSites AI. First are the special vendors bonuses, which includes bonuses like commercial rights that allows you to use OmniSites AI to create, sell, and host sites for unlimited clients or businesses instantly. AI affiliate freedom training from Ben, and know how to make your first $1,000 with OmniSites AI and affiliate marketing, AI suggestions traffic catalyst with agency rights, AI-powered directory and classifieds builder, agency rights to Genie Rank AI and Genie Images AI, local appointment scheduler with white label rights to Spin Game Elite, and more. Next is our premium exclusive bonuses package. You can check out the demo videos of these premium bonuses here. You are getting full access to AI Multi-Universe, the world's first AI platform that gives you multi-version access to every major AI model, present and future. Enjoy instant lifetime access to the best AI models and all their versions GPT 3.5 to GPT-5, Gemini 1.5 to 2.0 Flash, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, Dolly, Kling, Veo, and more. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to all-in-one AI Design Creator app, a revolutionary AI design suite that brings together the world's most powerful creative tools, from real-time text to image, AI avatars, deepfake and face swap, to interior generators, 3D AI QR codes, VR AR ready models, object removal, room makeovers, and so much more, all in one stunning dashboard. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to ViralQuiz AI app. ViralQuiz AI is the world's first and only AI viral video quiz builder app for marketers. With this revolutionary platform, you can create hundreds of highly engaging, addictive, viral quiz videos in minutes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to Algobuster AI app. Algobuster AI is the first of its kind software that creates hundreds of attention-grabbing posts, videos, and stories in any niche for any platform and schedule them for months with AI in just a few minutes, outsmart social algorithms, and drive unlimited traffic from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and more. Next, as a premium bonus, you are getting full access to AI Multi-Minds app. AI Multi-Minds is the first ever multi-model AI with 100 plus advanced, diverse, hidden AI models, all inside a single dashboard. Create unlimited AI undetectable, unique, powerful, and authentic marketing content, videos, graphics, and strategies that stands out, captivate, and sell more than ever. Next are the special exclusive bonus packages. These are all high-quality softwares and apps that you won't find anywhere else. So you are getting access to one of the best lead generator and list builder app that helps you to build high-quality, engaging email lists. It's a complete lead generator plus email marketing suite where you can generate unlimited leads from various platforms, as well as you can create campaigns for them. Next, you are getting access to AI Universe, which is the first ever multi-model AI with 75 plus advanced, diverse, hidden AI models, all inside a single dashboard. Access world's most powerful AI models, ChatGPT's latest models, Claude, Gemini, Flux, Leonardo, SDXL, Stable Diffusion, and more. This saves you thousands of dollars every month. Similarly, you are getting access to AI-powered Copywriter App Suite, which itself is a bundle of various AI apps like AI Advanced Editor, AI Writer, AI Image Generator, AI Article Wizard, AI PDF, Vision AI, AI Rewriter, AI Agents, AI YouTube to Blog Post App, AI Code Generator, AI Speech to Text, AI Voiceovers, and many more. Then you are getting access to AI Viral Quiz Builder app. With this revolutionary platform, you can create hundreds of highly engaging, addictive, viral quiz videos in minutes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Similarly, you are getting a lot of agency bonuses that helps in different agency businesses. Next, you are getting AI Video Creator app, AI Graphic Creator app, AI Website Creator app, App Builder Platform, Webinar Creator app, AI Video Interactor app, Video Ranker app, various traffic apps, multi-platform autoresponders, content creator apps, and a lots and lots more apps. You are also getting a mega bundle of DFY ebooks, articles, graphic bundle, HD video bundle, royalty-free music bundle, social media graphics bundle, and a lot more. Similarly, you are getting a lots of other bonuses. You can check out all these bonuses and details on my review bonus page that you will find in the description as well as in the comments. You will get all these bonuses when you purchase the software through our link.
Hello friends, welcome to the OmniSites AI video tutorial section. In this video, we will check out how you can create a organization. So go to the dashboard option. Here you will see the by default organization. Here you will get the option to create a new organization. So by entering the name, you can create a new organization, and under this organization you can create a new project, and within that specific project you can go with the site creation. So you will be able to bifurcate your each website within an organization and project. We will check out that in our next videos. From here, you can also switch between the various organization. Like for example, if you have other organization like consultation along with the software services, and you want to create the website and projects under that organization, you can simply switch between the many organization. In this video, we will check out how you can create a project within an organization. So first go to the dashboard menu option. Here I have to create the project under software services organization. It is already selected. If you want to create a project on in another organization, you can simply select the switch option and change the organization. Then go to the project option. Here you will find the button to add project. Hit that. Enter the project title. After entering the title, hit the add button. You can see the project has been created, and currently it has 0 site. So when you create the site, you can select this project Here you can also rename it and delete it. So in this way you can create the other projects for your organization. This video tutorial we will check out how you can create the team members and how you can provide access to your team member. So for this, go to the team option here. You will get the option to create a team member. Hit that button. Now we need to enter the name, email, and password of the member. So you can add it. You can manually enter the password or you can also generate from here. After that, you can select this option if you want to send email to your team member along with the credential. And after that, hit the add member button. So you can see user has been successfully created. Now you can also edit it or delete it from here. In this way, you can add more members to your team and give access to OmniSite. In this video, we will explore the custom knowledge option of the tool. Custom knowledge option helps you in adding the information related to any of your site, and that information can be utilized while you create the site using this OmniSites tool. You do not need to enter the content manually there. You can just select the custom knowledge of that particular website and go with the site creation. We will check out how you can utilize the custom knowledge in site creation in our site creation video. In this video, we will just check out how you can create the custom knowledge. So firstly, you have to create a folder here and submit it. So you can see a folder named software services has been created, and you will get this screen where you can create the different custom knowledge under one folder. So you need to enter the title, and in this right option you need to enter the custom knowledge content manually. Like for example, under software services I want to create a custom knowledge related to software development, so I will give the name it as a software development and enter the content related to software development here. You can write as much as content as per your need and hit the submit button. So in this way, one custom knowledge has been created under software services using this write option. Now, if you do not want to write the content manually and you have information related to the website in the PDF or Word format, so then you can go with this upload option. Here you need to enter the title of your custom knowledge and select the file either in PDF or Word format and hit the submit button. Now at last we have an option of import website. So if you don't want to write manually, you don't have content in PDF or Word format, then you can go with this import website option. Here you need to enter the web page URL. Like if you have content in the web page format, you can enter the URL, then hit the import web page button. So the content on that web page will be fetched and hit the submit button. Now here you can see the detail related to the custom knowledge fall under this software services project. Here you can see the detail that I have added custom knowledge name software development. It was edited on 30th October 2025. It was created on this date. Here you can edit this custom knowledge and you can also delete it. You can see all the other custom knowledges that you have created under this folder in this section. So in this way you can create the custom knowledge and use this custom knowledge during site creation. AI. In this video we will check out the agency option. Agency option allows you to create the agency user or sub-user to whom you can give access to OmniSites and you can charge them for using the services of OmniSite. For this, go to the dashboard, select the agency option. Here you will see option to add the user. You need to enter the full name, email, password, select the access and add them like this. So user has been successfully created and you can edit this user and delete it from here. In this way, you can add more user and you can enjoy the agency option. In this video, we will check out how you can add the custom domain. So go to the custom domain option. Here you can see the list of the custom domain and the linked website. Currently, we have not created any domain, so it is showing as blank here. For adding the custom domain, hit this add new button, enter the domain name and hit the add domain button. Before hitting this add domain button, please make sure that you have to use only top level domain. Subdomain won't work. Like for example, if your domain name is xyz.com, then it will not allow any subdomain like abc.xyz.com. You have to enter the top level domain only. Then you have to enter the domain name without www, http or https. After that, you have to enter the domain and without the quotation mark. Then you have to copy this IP address and map it in your A record, and you have to follow the all these steps for connecting the domain. Please make a note that after adding domain, it will take around 48 to 72 hours to reflect the changes. So you just have to wait for that time. And after adding the custom domain, you can select this edit custom domain while site creation. So your website will be hosted on your custom domain. In this video section, we will check out the white label option of the tool. White label option allows you to add your brand name and business name logo, and you can sell the Omni site using your own branding. So for that, you can enter the business name here. You can enter the support email here. From here, you can upload your brand logo, fave icon, and here you need to select the domain on which you want to host the Omni sites or on which you want to brand your OmniSites. So for adding the domain, we have already seen in our previous video how you can add the custom domain. So you just need to select that domain from here. And after making all the changes, you need to hit the save button. Then we have a white label user option, which allows you to enter white label user to whom you can sell the Omni sites with your brand name. Like agency user, you have to enter the full name, email, password, and you can provide access to your user and hit the add user. So your white label user will be able to access the services in your brand name. The difference between the agency user and white label user is that the agency user will be able to access the services using the OmniSite brand name, but the white label user can access the services with the brand name that you have added. So in this way, you can do the white label setting and enjoy the services of OmniSites with your branding. In this video, we will check out how you can find the lead for your business. So for that, go to the leads finder. Under that, hit the lead finder option. Here you will get a screen where you need to enter the detail related to the business for which you want to generate the lead. You have to enter the business name, location. You can select the radius range. Here you can select the language. So let's start with entering the business name, then go with the location and hit the find lead button. It will take a few moments to generate the lead, so kindly wait for some time. You can see the leads has been generated. The lead contain the business name like this one, the address, then the rating provided on this particular solution. Then we have a contact number of this lead. You can see the website URL. The site is based on WordPress, so it is showing the WordPress icon here. And at last, you can add this lead to the list. So if any lead does not have a website based on WordPress, then it will show the cross icon here showing that this particular website is not built on WordPress framework. So in this way, you will get the business leads based on the detail that you have added. Now you can select this lead and move them to hot lead option for further emailing. So just select this. I just want to use this three lead for my future use. So selecting this and add to hot lead. You can select the folder if you have already created, or you can also go with the folder creation from here. Just enter the folder name and hit the submit button. So all these three leads are moved to hot lead option, which we'll check. And this option allows you to add the particular lead into a hot lead. Now, if you want to move all the leads to hot leads, just select this option and hit the add to hot lead button. So in this way, you can generate the leads and add them to hot lead. Now you can check out the hot lead from here. So we have a digital marketing named folder which contain the three leads, and its detail is showing here. You can select the folder from here also. So based on the selected folder, you will get the list of the leads here. Now we will check out how you can use this hot lead for sending the email in our next video. In this video, we will check out the email template and AI email option. For this, go to the leads finder option. Here you will get the email templates option, which will contain the pre-provided email template that you can use for sending the email. We have provided total 5 templates. You can select any of them as per your need. You can view from here. You can also edit them. You can enter the template name as you can change the logo, this logo title. After that, you can also change the content from here. If you want to change the name, if you want to change this content, so just select that content and make the changes. And after making the changes, you can also change the copyright content here. After making the changes, submit it. You can see that it is showing under my template option. You can select this template as a default. So for if you send any email, this default template will be selected. You can edit it, you can preview it, and you can delete it. Then we have a AI email option, which allows you to generate the email using AI. You just need to enter the template name, enter the topic, hit the generate email. So based on the topic that you have entered, AI will generate the email content. It will take few moments, so kindly wait for it. You can see the subject has been generated, email content has been generated. You can make the necessary changes as per your need, like you can change the client name, you can change your company name. If you want to make changes in the content, you can change it from here. Now you can upload the agency logo, and you can choose the template style. It is optional. If you want to send this email using any pre-provided template, then you can select that template. So this email will be generated in that selected style. And after this, you can save it as a template or you can directly send email. So just save it as a template. So the created template, it is not showing me any template style as I have not selected that, and you can make it as a default. So in this way, using the DFI template and the AI email option, you can choose the email template style and send email to your hot lead. In this video, we will check out how you can download the created site and its setup on WordPress. So go to the sites option of the menu. Here you can see the created site. Just hit this three dots menu. You will see the download button. Click on it. On hitting the download button, you will be redirected to this WordPress dashboard of the site. Here you will see the export option. We just need to export the site. So it is preparing for export. Kindly wait for some time. Now the file has been exported. You can download it. Once it has been successfully downloaded, we will set up this file in other WordPress dashboard. The file has been downloaded completely. Now we will move on to the WordPress setup. So this is my WordPress dashboard where I have to import the downloaded file. Firstly, you need to make sure that your WordPress has all-in-one WP migration plugin. If not, then firstly we will need to add that plugin. So just search for all-in-one. So here is this plugin. Install it. Once the plugin has been activated, you will see the option here. Hit the import button. Select the file that you have downloaded. So I have selected the file and now it's start importing. Wait till it gets completed to 100%. It is completed up to 100% and it is preparing to import. So please do not close the browser window. Now hit the proceed button. Now this is finished. Now you can check out the site from here. You can see the site has been imported and it is showing as we have created it. So in this way you can use the download option of the OmniSites and set up that site on your WordPress. In this video, we will check out how you can create a new site using the tool. So firstly, you have to log into member area dashboard and on the dashboard screen, you will see a create new site button. Hit this button. Here you will get two options. One for creating a blank WordPress site and another is for complete website that contain the data and images. So in this video we will go how you can create a blank website. So just hit this option. Here you need to enter the site label or the site title. So you can put anything you want. And after entering the label, hit the create button. It will take a few moments to create a website, so wait for that time. Your WordPress website has been created with the label that you have entered. Here you can see the site URL and the login detail. With this button, you can directly visit your website, and using visit dashboard option, you can view the WordPress dashboard. Now again we will move to the OmniSite dashboard. Here you can see the details. Now we can check the other information related to website through sites option. So just you can see here, you can see the detail of the sites that you have created. Like recently we have created this site named with ABC Creator. Here you can directly log into dashboard, WordPress dashboard. From here you can select the project that we have already covered in our previous video, that how you can create a project. From here you can add custom domain for your website. If you didn't want to host your site on OmniSites domain, then you can add the custom domain. Here you can see the author of the site. By hitting this three dot option, you will get further setting, like you can rename it, you will get the FTP credential of the site. Then you can clone this site. From here you can view the credentials of the website if you want to log in the future. And at last you can download the created site. Now with this button you can delete the site. So this is all about how you can create a blank website. In this video, we will check out how you can create a complete website. So on dashboard, hit this create new site button and select the complete website option. So using complete website option, you can create a complete website, that is website that contains the images and text content and other section also, and you can generate this website using the AI. So on hitting that button, you will be redirected to this screen where you need to complete the 7 different steps for creating the website. You will also get this option through dashboard menu, create site with AI. On hitting this button, you will be redirected to this same theme generator screen. So we will complete the 7 step in this video and generate a website. In the very first step, you have to enter the type of business for which you want to create a site. Then followed by this, you have to enter the business name and you have to choose the website language. So let's select the business type. We have provided multiple business type. You can select as per your business requirement. Like I'm going with this restaurant one and entering the business name. And similar to the type of business, you can select the language for your site. I'm going with the English and hitting the next button. In the second step, you can see the business detail setting. Here you can enter your business detail. Currently, AI has generated the description based on the type of the business you have selected in the step 1 and the name that you have entered for your website. You can rewrite this description using AI if you didn't like it, uh, or you can also use the custom knowledge base that we have checked in our earlier video for entering your business detail. So I'm going with this business detail as of now and hitting the next button. AI will take a few moments to move to the next step. Now, in the third step, you have to enter the contact detail like email address, contact number, address. You can also enable this social media option, and on enabling, you have to enter your URL. So, the option that you have enabled will be visible on your website. So, I'm entering the email address and hitting the next button. The step 4 is for review the content of your site, where you can check out the business name. You can change if you didn't like the business name. You can rewrite using AI or you can use the custom knowledge database. Then we have a description. Similarly to the business name, you can also change the description if you didn't like it. Then AI has generated the features for your website based on the type of business and the name that you have entered. And you can also change this feature name and the description using AI. And if it is good to go, then we'll move on the next one. Similarly to the feature, services is also created using the AI. And then we have a short description for the website. Then there is headline, and at last we have a testimonial. So you can review the content for your site in this step, and if it is good to go, then you can hit the next button. In the step 5, we have to select the images for our website, and you can select the maximum 15 images. And we suggest for getting the better result, you can choose the combination of portrait and landscape images. That is at least 7 images of portrait type and rest of landscape type. We have provided different option for selecting the images. You can search images using Pexel or Pixabay. Then you can also custom upload any image. Please make sure that your image should be of PNG, JPG, AVIF or WebP format, and the upload size is 1 MB. Then we also have an option of image generation through AI. You have to select the dimension, enter the prompt for which type of image you want, and you can also upload any reference image, and based on that, AI will generate the image for you. Then if you already have images in the
tool, then you can select this library option, and at last this option will show the images that you have selected. So we will go with the pixels images, and I'm selecting currently images of landscape type. Selected the 4 images. You can view the count from here, and I have selected the 7 landscape image. Now we'll go with the portrait type. So now we don't have more images with the portrait type, so we'll load more. And I have selected the images. You can see the selected images from here, and if you didn't like any image, then you can just go here and unselect the image and choose the better one. So in this way I have selected total 15 images, and will proceed with the next step. In the next step, you can select the website design. We have provided certain layout that you can view, and you can use any of the desired layout. Like I'm going with this one. After selecting, you can preview the design and make the changes in your site. Like you can upload your own logo. So instead of OmniSite, your logo will appear on the website. You can change the heading font like this. You can also change the text font, and from here color palette setting, you can change the color like this. I selected this blue one, so it will appear in this type. If you want to change it more, you can change. You can also change the light palette into dark palette and change its color. And if you didn't like this combination, you can select any custom color by enabling this option and select the style as light or dark. And after making all the changes and after previewing all the changes, you can go with the next step. Or if you didn't like this design, you can go back to design. Now in the next step, we have already completed all the setting, like adding the title, description, features, contact detail, also review the content, selected the images, and the website layout. Now in the final step, you can give the add-on feature to your website. So for this, we have provided few plugins. The first 3 plugins are the required plugin for this website to work. That is Elementor for editing the page. If you want to change any page design, you can use this plugin. Then Contact Form for adding the form on your website, and OmniSites shortcode. These are the required theme shortcode which you can use for changing the design layout. Apart from this, if you want to add social share, SEO, e-commerce, any legal pages, and any other type of feature in your website, you can use any of the plugin provided. You just need to select the plugin and go with the next button. So this plugin will be automatically added to your website. At last, you can review the content like business name, business description, and the contact detail. And if you good to go, then you can hit the start building the website button. AI will take few moments to complete the website, so kindly wait for this. Your website has been created. You will get the website URL, login detail. You can view the website from here, and from this option you can visit the dashboard. You can see the detail of the website created here, like we have checked in our earlier video. From here you can go to WordPress dashboard. From here you can select the project. Here you can add the custom domain, and with this section option you can perform the any setting that you want, and you can delete this site from here. In this video, we will check out how you can generate the ACO report of the hot lead, and how you can send email to those leads. Very first, we have to go to the leads finder option and hit the hot leads option. We have already checked in our previous video that how you can generate lead and convert them to the hot lead. So based on that, we have two hot lead folder. So you can select any of the folder for which you want to generate the AC report. So let's move. Here we have a this lead. So let's generate the ACO report for this. You will see the option for generating the ACO report here, and hit this option. It will take a few moments to generate the ACO report, so please wait for that. You can see the report has been generated successfully. Now you can view the report by hitting this view PDF button. So in this way, the ACO report of the site has been generated, and you can see the audit result here. That page is good. Then for a higher speed, their recommendations are also given, and one page SEO result is also very good. So based on the report generated, you can send email to the particular lead for providing services like the for fast loading of the site, and any other parameter where the ACO report generate not a good result for the site. So based on this report, you can uh, choose the parameter, and based on those parameter, you can offer services to improve the quality of the site, the loading speed of the site, or any other. For sending the email, we will need to navigate to Omni dashboard again. So we again land up on the OmniSites dashboard, and here you can see we have generated the report of this particular lead, and we can send email by using this send email button. So you will get this email template option. You can select the SMTP, and you can also add your own SMTP from the profile section. Here you can select the email template. You can enter the recipient email address, enter the subject on which you want to send the email. Here you can choose the logo, that you can change this OmniSites logo. You can change this OmniSites label with your brand name like XYZ, whatever be your company name, you can add it here. You can change the content like username. If you want to change this content, you can also add your content, and at last you can also change the copyright content. And if you want to attach any other file like a portfolio PDF or the file that you have generated, that SEO report, you can attach that report and send email to the particular lead. So in this way, by generating the SEO report, you can send email or provide your services to the leads. In this video, we will check out how you can install the OmniFunnel plugin to your WordPress dashboard and how you can use this plugin to create the funnel. So very first, go to the dashboard, then select the download plugins option. Here you will see the OmniFunnel plugin file. You can download the plugin file from here just by hitting this button. You will also get this license key, which is required when you install and authenticate the plugin on your WordPress dashboard. So after login, go to the WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard. We will install the plugin here. For that, go to the plugins option on your WordPress dashboard. Select the add plugin option. Then go to upload plugin. Here you need to choose the plugin file that you have downloaded. And install it. The plugin has been installed successfully. Now we need to activate the plugin. It will take a few moments to activate it. Uh, the plugin has been successfully activated, and you need to enter the license key from the members area dashboard here and connect it. And once it has been authenticated, you will see the OmniFunnel option here, and you can see the funnels option and the requirements. So requirements are basically the uh, shows the requirement, the WordPress environment or the server environment requirement, which is required for plugin to work. So you can check out the requirement from here. Then we go to the funnels option. Here you can see the list of the created funnel. We have already created some funnel, and you can create a new funnel using this create funnel option. So the funnel will basically contain the pages like sales page, thank you page, opt-in page, checkout page, and if you want, you can add upsell and downsell page. So here you can edit the funnel, you can view the funnel, and you can delete this funnel. Now we'll go with the create funnel option. Here we have provided some pre-designed funnel that you can view and use. as per your business requirement. Like for example, if you have a business related to ebook, then you can use this funnel. So just hit this button. So this funnel will be synced with your WordPress website. And if you want to create from scratch, you can also go with this option. So let's use the pre-built funnel firstly, then we'll check how we can create from scratch. So just hit this use button. Then again it will take time to implement the funnel on WordPress site. It has been implemented, and you can see the funnel ebook comes with all the pages like upsell, thank you, opt-in, checkout, downsell, and sells. So you can view the individual pages from here. Now if you want to edit the funnel, then just hit this button. So you can see the flow chart of the funnel here. You can adjust it as per your need. Like very first one is the sales page, then sales page is connected with the opt-in page, then checkout page. Then on checkout page you can put the condition like if you want to provide discount to a particular user of a particular city, then you can put the condition over here. Just like click on this, and we have provided some condition like past order billing city, past order billing country, total order count. So if you want that you want to provide discount to the user whose total order counts are greater than or less than 10. Suppose I have entered here 10. So if you want to provide discount or provide upsell to those user whose total order count is greater than 10, then you can put condition here. And if the condition if the condition is true, then user will go to the upsell, and if the condition is false, like if user's order count is less than 10, then user will go to the downsell. So in this way you can also put the condition on your funnel pages, and at last you will add the thank you page. So user who follows those condition will go to upsell page, and those which doesn't fulfill this condition will go to downsell page, and at last they will reach to the thank you page. So in this way you can manage the flowchart of the funnel from here. And if you want to make changes to any of the funnel pages, like if you want to make the change in the opt-in page, so just hit this button, and here you will get the two option, edit with Elementor, or you can view the step. And on hitting edit with Elementor, will be redirected to the edit Elementor screen, where you can change the design layout of the page. So in this way you can use the pre-built funnel for creating your own funnel, and after making all the changes, just hit the save button. Yeah, so your funnel will be saved with the changes that you have made. Now we will check how you can create a funnel from the scratch. So select the create funnel option, then hit the create from scratch. Here you need to enter the funnel name, like So hit the next button. The first sales page has been created. Now you can create the sales page. Here again you will get the two options. You can choose the pre-provided sales page, or you can create from scratch. If you go to create from scratch option, then you will be redirected to Elementor editor, where you can put the shortcode or to create design as per your need. I am going with the provided one here and use this. So a sales page has been generated. Now we will hit the plus icon to go with further step. Now with the sales page you can connect either checkout page or you can go with the opt-in page. So let's go to the checkout page, and again here we need to design the checkout page. So you can either go with the scratch or you can select the pre-provided one. Like I am selecting the pre-provided one as I have selected in the sales page. Then in the checkout page we have the four steps that we can use. Either we can go with the thank you page and complete the funnel, or if you want to put any condition for your users, then you can go with the condition. You can directly connect to the upsell or downsell page also. So let me go with the condition here. So on adding the condition, we have two branches here, true and false. So if the condition will go into true, then you on the result you can put the thank you page only. So on at the moment we have not added any conditions, so it gives us option for adding the thank you page only. And if we put any condition, then it will also give you option of connecting the upsell or downsell page. So let's first put the condition here, like the past order billing country is of USA. Means if any user whose past order billing country is USA, then we'll go to the upsell page. So on true condition we have added the upsell page. So on upsell again you can choose the layout like this one, and you can also add any product to this upsell page. For this, please make sure that you have WooCommerce integrated in your site and you have added the product in your WooCommerce. So just hit the add product option. I have already added the product, so it gives me option to select the product. So I have selected it and adding this product. And if you want to, here you can choose the quantity. You can also provide discount to the user and save it. So any user who fulfills this condition, like if the past order billing country of the user is USA, then he will get the upsell page and he will get the discount on the product that we have added, and after that he will reach to thank you page. Similarly, in the false condition, we can add the page like down sale. Then in that case, user will go to the down sale page, and here again we will choose the layout for down sale page, and add the product in it. So any user who doesn't fulfill the condition will get the downsell page and will get the discount on this particular product up to 5%. And at last, user will reach out to thank you page. So in this way, our funnel has been created. So how it work? Firstly, user will land up on the sales page, and after that, selecting the product, user will reach out to checkout, where we have added a condition. If the condition is satisfied, user will reach to upsell, or else user will reach to downsell. And after performing the action on the page, he will reach to thank you page. And after making all the changes, just hit the save button. So your funnel has been saved, and you can check the funnel in the funnel option here. So in this way, using OmniSites funnel plugin, you can create the funnel for your any business niche and use them to reach to your leads. In this video, we will check out how you can install the auto blogging plugin on your WordPress dashboard and how you can generate the blogs using that plugin. So again, go to the download plugins option, and here you will see the zip file of the auto blogging plugin along with the license key which is required to authenticate your purchase on WordPress dashboard. So just hit this button to download the plugin, and once the download has been completed, navigate to the WordPress dashboard where you want to set up the plugin. This is my WordPress dashboard where I have to set up the plugin. So go to the plugin section, hit the add plugin option, then go to the upload plugin option. Here you have to choose the file that you have downloaded. I have selected that file and hit the install now button. The plugin has been installed successfully. Now we will need to activate it. You can see the auto blogging plugin has been activated. Now just go to the dashboard, or you can also reload the page for getting this auto blogging option. Here, for getting the further option of the plugin, firstly you need to authenticate it, as we have discussed in the video earlier. You need to enter the authentication or the license key. So I have entered. I have already copied it from the member area dashboard and pasted it, and just hit the connect button. Once it has been authenticated, you will see the further option of the plugin like manual mode, auto mode, Keyword finder, general setting, and authentication. We will check them one by one. The very first one is the manual mode, which allows you to generate the blog post manually by entering the prompt, but the content will be generated through AI, but we need to enter the prompt here. So we have two options again here in the manual mode. The first one is start from scratch and the next one is the reverse engineering. So we'll check them one by one. Let me start with the start from scratch, and here we have again two options, that is easy mode and the detailed prompt. In the easy mode, you need to enter the prompt like we have provided example that how to lose weight in 15 days. And if you go with the detailed prompt, then you need to enter the prompt in the detailed manner. Like we have provided the format, and you can change the topic name or anything else as per your need. So let's move with the easy mode first. Like I have to generate the blog post on the how to learn coding skills for software development. So I've just added the prompt here. Now we have two options, generate outline. So based on the prompt that I have added, AI will generate the outline. And if you didn't want AI to generate the outline, then you can go with the generate outline using custom knowledge. It will fetch the data from the custom knowledge base that we have added in the OmniSite dashboard. So that data will be sync up with your blog post. So let me go with the generate outline option at the moment. It will take a few seconds to generate the outline, so kindly be patient for that time. You can see here your article outline has been generated. This one is the title based on the prompt that you have added, that how to learn coding skill for software development. Then related to that prompt, we got the title unlocking your programming potential, a practical guide to learning coding skill for software development. Now, if you didn't like this title, you can regenerate it. Then next to title, we have the some other statement that are related to the post. That is hook statement, opener statement. Then we have a body part. Body part is divided into different category. That is understanding the basic, then structuring your learning journey, then building practical skills to project, then embracing community and feedback, developing a problem solving mindset, and many more. And at last, we have a conclusion. So, if you didn't like any of these content, you can regenerate them. And along with the regenerate button, you can see we have one more button, that is insert into article. So on hitting this button, the content will be inserted into the blog post. So let's hit this button. So in this, you do not need to manually put the content to your blog post. It will automatically generate a blog post that you can view from the post option here. This one. Let's check out how it will look. You can see the post has been generated with the title that we have checked, and you can edit this post. You can see the content has been automatically added to the post. In this way, without adding any manual content, you can use the AI for generating the post. Now we will check out the further step. So let's move on to WordPress dashboard again. Similarly to the hook statement, you can insert the opener statement. So when you hit this insert into article button, it won't create a new post. The content will be automatically updated to your the existing post. Like just hit this button. Uh, the blog has been updated. You can check the updated content on the post article. So in this way you can add the different statement to your post. And at last we have option for generating images. So when you want to insert the image to your blog post, you can use this option. Here we have provided pixel images option and AI image. So for that blog post, you can search from both the platform. You just need to enter the keyword and Pexel will generate the image based on that keyword. And in AI image, again, you can generate the image through AI just by entering the prompt, like in easy mode, or you can also go with the detailed prompt. So you can choose whatever you want, and the generated images will be added to the thumbnail of the post. You can also go with the skip images option. So in this way you can use this easy mode to generate the post article. Now we will check out the detailed prompt. Here you need to enter the detailed prompt about the blog post that you want to generate. Like you need to provide the topic name, then you can enter the content, like the article should be completed in the 4 section, whatever you want, like hook, statement, opener statement, and body part, and then a conclusion. So you can make the changes in the detailed prompt as per your need. Like if you do not want the opener statement, then you can skip this part. Like you can change this or remove this content, and based on that prompt you can generate the outline. Then next step will be same as we have checked in the easy mode. For reverse engineering, again we have selected the manual mode. Here we need to select the reverse engineering. Reverse engineering means here you do not need to enter any prompt, or like we had done in the start from scratch. Means in the start from scratch we have to enter the prompt. Now in the reverse engineering we have to enter the URL of the post. Like if you like the blog post for any topic, and you want blog post generated on that topic using the content of that URL. So you have to enter the URL here, and like I have added the URL. So AI will analyze the content of the URL, and based on that content, AI will generate the outline. So I have added the URL, and will hit the generate prompt button. Then we'll get the further setting. Now in the detailed prompt, you have to enter the prompt in the detail, and here you need to replace the URL with your URL. So let's go with the easy mode as of now. Add the URL and hit the generate prompt button. So based on the content of that URL, AI will first generate the prompt for your blog post. So AI has generated a prompt on the for the URL, and after that, based on this prompt, you can generate the outline through AI or using the custom knowledge base. So the further process will remain same as of the start from scratch. The major difference is that in start from scratch you have to enter the prompt directly, and in the reverse engineering you have to enter the URL of the blog post, and based on the that URL content, AI will generate the prompt first and then outline. So in this way, manual mode of the auto blogging plugin will work. Now we'll check out for the auto mode. As you can see, the name is auto mode. It means it will help you in creating the schedule for the blog post. Here you can check out the schedule, and using this add new button, you can add the new schedule. So just hit this button. Here you will see a pop-up where you can select the mode. You can enter the blog topic, select the number of article you want to create, select the schedule, that is time frame. Here you can select the time, then post status, and if you want to use the custom knowledge base for generating the post content, you can use this option, and you can also add image. We also have a reverse engineering option here. So if we select the reverse engineering option, we have to enter the article URL. So let's enter the blog topic. Now we will select the number of article as 2, select the time frame as per day. So per day 2 article will be generated. Here we can select the time on which time duration the article will be scheduled. So let me keep it 9 a.m. and we will select the status as draft as of now, and hit the add image option. So AI will automatically add image based on the topic that you have added, and 2 article will be generated every day at 9 a.m. and hit the create button. Your schedule has been created. You can see the detail here. Keyword we have put it software development skill. Mode is topic wise. Custom knowledge base we kept it off. Number of article will be generated as 2, and it is scheduled as per day. Images is on, and status will be remain as draft. You can also add it or schedule or delete it. Now we will go to the keyword finder option of the plugin. Auto plugin also allows you to find the topic or keyword for a blog post. Like in simple mode, you can enter the keyword for which you want to generate the topic. You can also go with the detailed prompt. So you just need to replace your keyword here. So let me add the keyword like software development, and again we have a two option for finding the topic, either using AI or you can go with the custom knowledge base. On hitting the find topic, AI will analyze your keyword, and based on that keyword it will provide you the topic like this. So you can choose any topic that you want. Similarly, to find topic we can generate the keywords. Hit the find keyword button or hit the find keyword using custom knowledge base. So these are the keywords that AI has generated based on the prompt that we have added. Custom software development services. It also provide you monthly riches count and difficulty score. So based on that this data you can use any of the keyword. Again here we have detailed prompt option. So you can enter the keyword, replace this with your keyword and find the keywords for your blog post. Now next to it we have a general settings which contain option to add OpenAI key and Pexel API key. Once your credit has been consumed, you need to enter your OpenAI and Pexel key for auto blogging plugin to work properly. For the initial purchase you will get some credit, and after the credit has been expired you have to enter your keys here. And at last we have authentication screen that you have already checked in the beginning of the plugin. So in this way auto blogging plugin works, and it helps you in generating the post, creating the schedule, keyword finder and the topic finder. In this video, we will check out how you can edit the review blog post. For this, we have a site where we can see the different reviews on the different product. You can select any of the product review that you want to edit. So let's select this one. When you hit the read more button, you will be redirected to the single page of that particular review blog post. Here you can see the content of the post, and if you want to change any content or want to add any section like feature section or want to change an image, you can edit it. For that we have provided meta option. So let's check how you can edit it. So for that, hit the edit post button. You can see we have a separate meta boxes for editing that blog post section. Firstly, you need to select the template, that the template should be OmniSites blog review, and if it is different in your site then you can just hit this. Here on scroll bar you will get this OmniSite blog review template option, so just select it. After that you can see the section wise setting, like in section 1 we had a heading, business name, short description, video URL button, text. So you can change the content just by selecting this and add your own content. Then we have next section, and get the setting accordingly. In section 3, we have a feature option. So you can see the feature 1. You can select the niche, change the heading, add description. You can change the image as per your need. You can also remove this feature if you don't want it. Then you can also add new feature by hitting this button, add feature. Similarly to the feature, you can add it or remove the bonus, and you can also add the bonus. In section 4, we have just subheading and heading option. Then we have a section 5, section 6, and at last we have a color option like changing the background color parallel, card color, gradient color, and many more. So after changing this, you just need to hit the save button and you can view the post. So let's change this content. So I have changed this heading of the section 1. So let's save this post. The post has been saved. Now we will view it. You can see the heading has been changed. Similarly, you can change the other content. You can remove the video, or you can change the video URL with your own product URL and get customize the content as per your need.
So thank you for watching this video. You can check out all the details related to OmniSites AI from the review bonus page given in the description, as well as comments below this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future updates.